India's only mud volcano, Bartang mud volcano is in news. क्यों? It got erupted after 20 long years. Eruption 22nd October 2025. Location Jarva Creek, Bartang Island. अगर erupted materials की बात करें तो cool mud, muddy soil, methane, hydrogen sulfide, water, smoke. That means, unlike that of magmatic volcano where hot material comes out, causes tectonic activity, that is subduction of Indian plate below Burmese plate, and in the process decomposition of organic matter. ये subduction से ये event trigger हुआ and all this matter comes out.